you snoring? No, don't show the world that I snore in your filthy room.